Welcome back to another day, guys. Today we're gonna continue working on our wreck 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. We need to finish up the suspension on the left side so we can make it even with the right side, which you guys saw last time us fixing, and maybe fix the right headlight that is broken as well. So let's get back to work. To start, we need to start removing this trim right here, and to take this off to get to the strut underneath so we don't damage it, we have to go ahead and take the wiper blades off, both of them. We are going to be taking off these covers right here, and we're gonna go ahead and screw it. Alright, so we're going to be using a 13mm socket and our wrench, and we're going to go ahead and take them off. Alright guys, so now that we have the wiper blades off and the plastic cover, let's go ahead and do the same thing we did on the other side and get the suspension work done on this side as well. Alright guys, to put back the plastic shielding, it's real simple. You see this lip right here that is got, it matches to another lip that we can find right in front of the windshield, and all we have to do is just line it up correctly where it goes and press it down, and it's gonna be all set. Alright, so now that we finished with the wiper blades and the suspension, let's go ahead and get that light done. So here's the new headlight, guys. New and old, because this is from our previous video, remember, with the headlights. This one's perfectly fine. We're gonna be replacing the one that is in the car, which has got this back clip broken. So let's get to work and replace this headlight today. And this bracket down here that we got as well, we got a new one. So let's jump right into it. Come on. And right here, guys, this is where you can really see the clip is completely gone, as well as some of the clips in the top as well. Moving along, guys, it's time to change this bracket. So let's go ahead and take the water tank off. It's got a couple of nuts, as you can see right there, one in the front, two back here, and there's one more in the top. I'm going to show you in a second. Let's use a 10 millimeter so we can take those out, and the one on the top as well right here. Now let's go ahead and take the top off and the bottom. If it leaks, try to plug it with something like I did here. And now we can use the T30 and take the screws off for the bracket and replace it. Alright guys, as you saw before, the door doesn't really fit because it's wrinkled right here, but main thing is on the way is this piece of the hinge that stays with the car. To take it out, we're gonna use a 8mm star with a 12 teeth. I forgot the name of it, but it's a 8mm. Let's go ahead and jump inside and take it out. Next day here, guys. Today we want to give it a nice wash to the car, see all the dents that's got and all the scratches, so we can assess what we need to do. And let's give it a nice clean inside as well, because it's super filthy right now. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so we just finished with the wash. Now right here we can start seeing what we have in the hood. Like this right here, there's a dent right there. We gotta fix it. The clear and the paint is pretty damaged. There's a scratch right there. Clear's coming up over here. The worst of the clear coming out is right on the top on the roof here. So you can see the whole roof. Clear is peeling off. See that? Look at that. Gotta sand all of these, take that all clear out. And of course it's got some scratches and some minor dents on it. Right here in the hood. Paint is bad too. There's a dent right there. Small dent over here. And the bumper on the back. Looks like somebody rear-ended it. Not much, but some. and the tail of the car right there too is spilling off. And on this side, we have a bigger dent that we need to take care of, as you can see right there. And minor things right there, except for here. This is where we start seeing the most of the damage from the accident. It's got a rash right there we gotta fix. The door, the clear is peeling off, but the major thing on this door, there's a big long dent right here, a couple scratches and dents. And of course this is the new door, which it's pretty good. Only minor things like a scrape right here and a couple of door dings. You may feel those right there. And as you know, we have to pull out the big dent with the frame machine. We're gonna be taking it very soon so we can finish that off, and then we can put our fender on and the bumper right here. As I showed you guys before, most of this damage is just paint, and it got bent right here, but nothing broken. And the major things is underneath, but that's from scraping on the road. As you can tell, we can fix that. Nothing major. Couple scratches, you gotta sand it down. And of course this side, which has got the worst of it, paint is completely coming off, sealant, everything. You gotta sand it down and get it all fixed up. That's about it. Now let's go inside and clean the inside. Guys, this is gonna be the end of today's video. We were able to put the suspension back together and give it a nice wash to the car, and to see all the damages that it's got in the outside. Now we can get to work and actually do everything else that we need to do. But stay tuned, because on the next video we're gonna be taking the car for a first test drive, and it's gonna go over to the shop where they're going to be doing the alignment on it. So stay tuned for that. If you want to see more videos on this car, please like and subscribe if you haven't done already, and I'll see you on the next time.